All right, here we are on problem number 5, and we just have one more thing to learn before you can go ahead and make problems 6 to 10 on your own. Of course, what we need to learn is how to start. And so to start, what we're going to do is we're going to start with a rectangle. So we already used the rectangle tool. Let's hit R for rectangle. I like to start at the axes intersection here, which is the three colors. And you have green and red are the X and Y axis. And then you have blue, which is the Z axis. So I'm going to click on the origin point, and I'm going to just move out a little bit so the computer knows where I want to go. And then you see as I move in the bottom right corner, the numbers are moving as we've seen before. I'm going to hit 6, 3. Notice I put the comma in the middle, no spaces, and that tells the computer that I'm doing length and width. So I hit enter, and there's my block. And you can see, the scale is pretty small compared to the person here. And that's how we start all of the blocks basically in these shapes, in these problem sets. So, of course, we're not three-dimensional yet. We're just a 2D plane. So let's add the third dimension, the height. So we hit P for push-pull. We know that basically all the blocks are 6 by 3 and then 2 high. So I'm going to hit P for push-pull, click, and move my mouse up, hit 2, and enter. And that's where we're going to start. From here, you continue on with all the rest of the things you need to do to make this block. The tape measure tool, the lines, the rectangles, the erasers, and so on. And actually, this one's interesting if you just watched our tongued block video. Actually, I would start it the same way where you do 1 inch from each side and then the rectangle. Except instead of pushing down the outsides, this time you push down the insides. So that's all there is for now. Have fun and try and experiment and learn things. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. I will help as best I can. Remember to save. Thanks for watching.